So today I'm surveying a 1979 Westerly Centaur sailing yacht. Only 26 feet long, built in huge numbers by Westerly in Hampshire back in the 60s, 70s and 80s. 2,500 built in total, first one in 1969 and then the line finished in 1984. There's still plenty of them around on the used market and they're a popular choice. They came with a twin bilge keel setup, so very popular in the West Country because it means you can take the ground on a beach or in a drying marina, which is always nice. Anyway, just going through the boat, checking various things and looking at the bilge pumping system. I'm a big fan of electric bilge pumps connected to the battery that run all the time if they need to. However, on an older boat, low tech like this one, sometimes all you need is a manual bilge pump, which is great, but without lifting the floorboards or opening up the engine, you never know when to pump. So, what the owner's done here is he's come up with a very clever little workaround to give him early warning that there's water in the bilge. Have a look at this. So here we're looking into the bilge beneath the very nice Beta B25 engine, and you can see he's installed a bilge float switch. You normally find these rigged up to set the pump running. But what he's done here instead is he's connected it to a buzzer. Listen to this. Water level rises, float switch comes up, buzzer sounds, nice, clear, loud sound. So he knows to get his handle out and start pumping on the manual bilge pump. I've always been a big fan of the keep it simple, stupid principle. And that's what the owner's done here. He's installed a simple device to let him know when there's water pouring into the bilge so he knows to start pumping. Brilliant. If you found it useful, check out this video here. 5 essential tips to stop your boat from sinking. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.